Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your progress in Archero 2. So, if you want to start fresh from the very beginning, this one's for you. Before we start, just a quick heads up, resetting your progress means deleting your account. And once it's deleted, there's no going back. You can't recover your old data. So only do this if you're really sure. All right, first, open Archero 2 and tap the 3-bar menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Next, tap on Settings, then scroll down and select Support. Now, under Support, tap Contact Us. Here, you'll need to request account deletion. Just write a short message saying you'd like to delete your account and reset your progress. Make sure to include your email address linked to Archero 2 and, if possible, your user ID. You can find your ID in your profile, just copy it and paste it into the message. Once you submit the request, the support team will review it. This can take a few hours or even a couple of days, depending on their response time. After you get confirmation that your account's been deleted, open Archero 2 again. And you'll start from scratch, just like when you first installed the game. And that's it. That's how you reset your progress in Archero 2. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.